All right, so continuing our tour here. So you've got this nice deck here. This is the yard. It's pretty sizable. You've got the mature trees and plenty of shade here. You've got that fire pit over there. Yeah, your yard will be trimmed, of course, but as you can see, kind of like take a look at the whole area here. Yeah, and you've got a storage shed over there. All right, so we're gonna go back inside and continue our tour. Alrighty. So again, we're gonna take a quick look here. Downstairs, you do have the guest bathroom here. Again, was renovated, really stylish. You've got a two-car garage. Ignore the mess right now, but you've got a two-car garage with kind of a workshop you can set up over there. Overhead storage. All right, let's head upstairs and take a quick look at the top floor. So top floor does have, it's got this nice carpet. Again, a lot of natural light coming in. Let's take a look at what we've got here. So over here, we've got a room that right now is set up as sort of a media room, but it's absolutely a bedroom. You've got a closet here. So this is bedroom number 1. And then over here, you've got bedroom number 2. And this bedroom does have direct access into the bathroom here. We'll get to that in a second. It's got a closet here. It is facing, you can see it's facing the street, but it's got plenty of light coming in. Over here upstairs, you have your laundry room with a washer and dryer, storage space, and a sink. And then got a linen closet. And this is the bathroom. It's got double vanity. This is the common bathroom upstairs. It's got double vanity. It's got toilet and a tub, of course, here. And again, that connects to that second bedroom. So far we've got those 2 bedrooms. This is the 3rd bedroom. Very spacious. It's got this little nook here, and you've got a walk-in closet. And then let's go to the master. So master, this is a very large master bedroom. It's got, closet space over here. It's got this big windows with tons of natural light coming in from the backyard. Got the nice setup with the barn door. And here you've got a walk-in shower, super nice. You got a soaking tub. You've got his and her vanities. Of course, you've got the toilet here. And then you've got the formal walk-in closet, which right now for some reason is locked. But we will be able to see that once the owners come back. So yeah, it's a beautiful home.